Hello friends! Welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing something super fun for the Halloween season. How to draw a witch head in 3 different angles. We are talking front view, side view, and a little tricky but super fun 3/4 view. Let's get started! Okay, let's start with the front view. So first thing first, we need a head, right? Go ahead and sketch a simple circle, or maybe I should say oval, for the face. Nothing too detailed yet, just a basic guide. I'm gonna roughly draw eyes and all the details on the face. The eyes and a little nose and a sweet smile. You can play around with the expression. Now, for base of the head brim, picture how a head would sit on top of the head. It wraps around, so we'll draw a soft curve for the brim. You might call it semi-oval. The curve goes slightly above where the ears are and above the eyebrows too. Let's try to add bigger oval shape for the brim itself. Make sure the line is not straight. Give them a nice curve to capture that soft, flowy fabric look. Then connect those lines at the top with a wavy point. Pointy part of the head is not as pointy since this is looking from the front, but you can add pointy and sticking out like this or not. I decided not to. Next, let's switch it up and go for the side view. This one's a bit different because you are seeing the head from the side, so we've got to think about perspective. Start by sketching a sideways of oval for the head or a circle. The face is now in profile, so one eye, one ear. I drew hair before putting on her hat. I feel like this is easier way to draw. Also, think about the character's hairstyle when looking from the side, but feel free to find your own way and what is easier for you. So here I'm marking where the brim should be. It should be right around the head. Imagine drawing an infinite loop, just like this one right here. So the brim should look like infinite loop. So it's wrapping around the whole head, covering the back of the head and hair. The front brim should be seen from the side, so the character's face can be seen from the side too. Also, the top of the head should be triangle shape with the tip drooping down on the back, just casually folded in half with not too pointy end. You can make this longer or shorter depending on your style. And again, the last step is to outline everything with ink pen. Now, for the most challenging angle, the 3/4 view. I know this one can feel tricky, but trust me, with a little practice, it's so worth it. Start with the head turned slightly to the side. Imagine a face turned to right or to left. You can sketch out the basic oval shape, but this time you'll see a bit of both sides of the face. I'll add face features and also hair since it's how I draw head. But it's up to you to draw head first and then add face and hair. Now, when that is done, draw the brim. We are going to use another ellipse. Draw this line first so you know where the base of the head is. You'll see more of the front and less of the back. It's similar to the side view where I drew the infinite loop. This time, brim is covering side of the forehead and one ear completely. And this is how it looks like. I'll be making clean pen drawing and then we'll move on to coloring. For coloring, I'll be using paint markers and coloring pencils today. And let's start coloring. I'm gonna put base color first and then add details. You could go with ribbons or maybe add shiny charms or just about anything you would like to add. Or you can make it as simple as just a witch hat. Also recommend your witch's personality and characteristics can show on their hat. Don't forget to add any final touches, maybe some shading under the brim to give it more depth. You could also play around with different textures on the hat. Maybe it's an old hat, worn out witch hat with little tears or patches, or maybe it's super fancy. And that's it. You've now got the skill to draw a witch hat from the front, side, and three-quarter view. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and fun. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more cute art tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.